real Japanese teriyaki. How will it compare to the teriyaki burrito?
We went to Tokyo to find out whether Boloco's teriyaki burrito is anything like the real deal. The teriyaki burrito versus authentic Japanese teriyaki. We knew our reactions to real Tokyo teriyaki would go something like, and we were hoping we wouldn't come out thinking,
I do hereby proclaim the teriyaki, as it has been known for 17 years, is hereby defunct.
Luckily, after talking to chefs and locals and tasting all the teriyaki we could get our hands on, we found out that authentic teriyaki found in Japan and our teriyaki are really quite similar. Our teriyaki sauce is made with soy sauce, sugar, sake, water, and cornstarch, while theirs is made with
soy sauce, mirin, which is kind of a sweetener, sake, and sugar.
But after that, it gets a little different. While we serve ours with broccoli, carrots, and caramelized onions, in Japan, they serve teriyaki with veggies like grass onions, sweet potatoes, or whatever else looks pretty.
You have to put green thing on this dish. Better. You know what I mean?
And while we try to add a healthy kick with brown rice, the Japanese usually stick with the tried and true white rice. Overall, we got one main request from our Tokyo friends.
Teriyaki, from my viewpoint, is good with the combination of the oily food with oil. Like chicken, if the meat is oily enough, I think the teriyaki is a good combination.
There you have it. Boloco's teriyaki burrito gets the Tokyo stamp of approval. Globally inspired.
Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Thank you very much, oh Mr. Roboto.